Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test, Calculus 1. This is question number 10. In this question, we're given a piecewise defined function, and we're asked to find the values of m and b that will make this function differentiable. In other words, derivative, that it has a derivative for all x. So x squared plus x minus 3, that's going to be differentiable everywhere that x is less than or equal to 1. mx plus b is going to be differentiable for every value of x greater than 1. So now we just have to make sure that this function is differentiable at x equals 1. And we're going to use two things here. We're going to, one, make sure that the derivatives as we approach from the left and the right are equal to each other. And we're also going to use the fact that a differentiable function has to be continuous to verify that the limit of the function as we approach from the left and the right is also equal to each other. So the derivative of f of x, let's just write that out, is going to equal, well, the derivative of x squared plus 2x minus 3 is going to be 2x plus 1. Okay, that's for x less than or equal to 1. And then the derivative of mx plus b, that's just m. So that's for x greater than 1. So what we know is that at 1, these two have to be equal to each other. So that means that 2 times 1 plus 1 has to equal m. In other words, m equals 3. Okay, so we already found m, and we can eliminate option b, c, and d. So now we have to decide if b is negative 2 or b is negative 4. And to do that, we're going to figure out what f of 1 is. Well, f of 1 is 1 squared plus 1 minus 3. That's negative 1. And the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of f of x, that's going to be defined by mx plus b. So that's going to be m, which is 3, times 1, which is 1, plus b. So in other words, 3 plus b. So we have to have these two equal to each other. So we get that negative 1 is equal to 3 plus b, or b is equal to negative 4. So our answer is E.